What's going on, good people? How are you? How are you? It's your girl Des with the Money Hacks, and today we gonna switch it up a little bit. So, for those of you who are not following me on Instagram, I had told my Instagram followers that I would share our home buying process on our YouTube page, and so this is the first official video where I'll be kind of explaining the journey. So this video might not be long. I'm gonna try to make it as short as possible, just to give you the beginning steps of buying a home. Okay, so let's get started. So we decided to go the non-traditional route in buying a home, right? And that is not use a bank directly to get our mortgage. We decided to go through NACA, NACA, which stands for Neighborhood Assistant Corporation of America. I found about this program a couple years ago and absolutely fell in love with it because of what they stand for. And what they stand for is helping people get into homes that can afford them, not buy them, which is what banks tend to do. Banks tend to get people in homes that can simply buy a home. No, I'm more interested in financial stability, right? And that's what NACA prides itself in. If I could kind of paraphrase their mission statement, if I will. They make sure that you're able to afford it. So what's the difference between afford and buy, you might ask? So when we're talking about buying something, say something costs $500 and you have $600 in your account. You can buy that item because you have $500 in your account, but affording it is different. Affording it is an item costs $500, but you have $1,500 in your account. So now you can afford it. So in layman's terms, it's when you can buy something 2 times over, right? Minimally. So that's what NACA is all about. NACA is making sure that you're able to not only buy a home, but to be able to afford it, and not only afford it, be able to stay in it after you get your home. Because I don't know, I never owned a house, but I'm assuming when you get a house, a lot of different stuff comes up, right? A lot of different payments come up, a lot of more responsibilities come up when owning a home. And so NACA prides itself on making sure that whoever they're lending this money to or helping get this money to, it's for somebody who will be able to maintain that mortgage. NACA uses regular banks. NACA actually number one lending bank is Bank of America, but we go through NACA, which is the program, and Bank of America provides the mortgages, right? And so 3 of the main benefits for NACA is no down payment, no closing costs, and they have the below market interest rate, right? So I had actually pulled up current market's interest rate. So as of today, a 30-year mortgage or 30-year mortgage, am I saying that right? 30-year rate, 30-year fixed rate, there we go, is 7.154, and for a 15-year, it's 6.101. And that's the industry average. But with NACA, it's a tad bit lower. And if I could pull that up, let me see if I can quickly find that. Yes. So a 30-year fixed mortgage is 6.375 and a 15-year is 5.625. So that's already lower than the average industry right now. So those are just 3 benefits for using NACA. And so that's what we're going with. And this is all. I'm going to keep it short for this first video. I do want to end with saying NACA ain't for everybody. It is not for everybody. So I am not telling you to go use NACA, because NACA will try your patience. When I tell you I have to pray every time I log into their portal to submit something, I literally have to pray. So it ain't for everybody. If you got good credit, if you got good money saved and you ain't worried about down payment or closing costs, by all means, go strictly to a bank, because their process is a lot simpler and a lot faster. But for your average Joe Smo who don't got money saved up, who credit is whack, you probably want to start looking into NACA and start now, because again, NACA helps you prepare to be a homeowner. So they're going to help you get your down payment. Your earnest money, right? Which is money that you money associated with getting a house, right? And so they're going to make sure you have enough savings. They're going to make sure you have your debts in order so that you can be able to, again, afford your home. So yes, that's all we're gonna do for today, y'all. So again, our mortgage person that we're going through is NACA, NACA. Look them up; they're available. They're nationwide. They're available any and everywhere. Um, yeah, I'm rocking with them, and I'm excited to share the journey with you all. Y'all may see some tears, some screams, and I mean tears of sadness, tears of joy, all of that, because NACA will send you through the ringers. I'm not even gonna hold you up. I'm not. I'm just not. I joked that we need to start a NACA. What is it called? A NACA community, like, because they will try you. But anyway, I'm gonna keep it at that. And so yes, stay tuned for my next videos on our journey to becoming homeowners. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on social media outlets at Des Money Hacks. You can DM me, ask me questions, or you can simply comment in these videos. So yes, I'm excited to share this exciting new journey for you. I mean, with you all. So yes, I hope this helps you.